to, may buhawi to.
May 24th, 2026. A powerful storm system struck parts of the Philippines yesterday, bringing destructive winds, torrential rain, dangerous lightning, and widespread disruption across several communities. Residents described the event as one of the strongest weather disturbances they had experienced in recent months, with wind speeds in some locations reportedly reaching up to 160 kilometers per hour. The violent weather caused panic in affected areas as roofs were torn from homes, trees were uprooted, power lines collapsed, and roads quickly became flooded by intense rainfall. The storm developed rapidly and intensified as it moved across parts of the country, producing severe thunderstorm activity and strong wind gusts comparable to typhoon-force conditions. Although some official weather bulletins classified portions of the system as a tropical disturbance or severe thunderstorm event, many residents said the impact felt similar to a major typhoon because of the sudden and destructive nature of the winds. Videos shared online showed sheets of rain moving sideways through streets, debris flying through the air, and vehicles struggling to move against the strong gusts. Several provinces experienced interruptions to electricity and communication services after strong winds damaged utility infrastructure. Emergency response teams were deployed in multiple locations to clear fallen trees, assist stranded residents, and monitor areas vulnerable to flooding and landslides. Local authorities also warned people living near rivers, coastlines, and mountainous regions to remain alert because continuous rain increased the risk of flash floods and slope failures. In urban areas, transportation was heavily affected. Some roads became impassable due to floodwaters, while ferry services and small fishing operations were suspended because of dangerous sea conditions. Airports in certain regions also experienced delays caused by poor visibility and unstable weather conditions. Schools and offices in some provinces temporarily suspended operations as a precautionary measure to protect students and workers from hazardous travel conditions. Meteorologists explained that the storm's most destructive feature was its intense wind field. While official sustained wind measurements may have been lower in some areas, localized gusts generated by thunderstorm cells and squall lines were significantly stronger. These sudden bursts of wind are capable of causing major structural damage within minutes, especially in communities with vulnerable housing and exposed coastal locations. Some weather observers compared the event to a severe downburst, a phenomenon in which rapidly descending air from thunderstorms spreads violently outward after reaching the ground. Residents described terrifying scenes as the storm intensified during the afternoon and evening hours. Families rushed to secure doors and windows, while emergency announcements urged people to remain indoors. In some communities, evacuation centers were opened for families whose homes were damaged or located in flood-prone areas. Social media platforms quickly filled with photos and videos showing damaged buildings, submerged streets, and rescue operations taking place in heavy rain. Authorities continued post-storm assessments throughout the night and into the following morning. Initial reports indicated damage to homes, agricultural land, public infrastructure, and electrical systems. Farmers in several areas expressed concern about crop losses caused by flooding and strong winds, especially in low-lying agricultural communities, already vulnerable to extreme weather events. The Philippines is among the countries most exposed to tropical cyclones and severe weather systems due to its geographic location in the western Pacific Ocean. Each year, the nation experiences numerous storms ranging from tropical depressions to powerful super typhoons. Experts have repeatedly warned that warmer ocean temperatures and changing climate conditions may contribute to stronger rainfall events and more destructive weather patterns in the future. Government agencies urge the public to continue monitoring official weather advisories and avoid unnecessary travel in affected regions. Disaster response teams remained on standby as weather forecasters tracked additional rain clouds and unstable atmospheric conditions that could continue influencing parts of the country after the main storm system weakened. Despite the destruction, stories of community cooperation also emerged. Volunteers, rescue workers, and local residents work together to help clear debris, distribute food and water, and assist families displaced by flooding and storm damage. Many communities demonstrated resilience as recovery efforts began immediately after the worst conditions passed. Thanks for watching Severe Weather, where we break down the facts behind nature's most intense moments. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support keeps this channel going. Hit the bell so you never miss a real, calm, and clear report. See you in the next one. Stay informed, stay safe.